Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first video. I'm going to be talking about men's style, fashion, and luxury for less, travel as well. So the subject of this first video is going to be shoe haul. So without further ado, let's go. Welcome guys, I hope that you are doing good and well during this quarantine. I hope that you're healthy and safe. I am Yassine, I am actually based in Paris and the lockdown is going to be lifted soon. So hopefully we'll get out of this crisis safe and healthy. Today I wanted to share with you four of the purchases I made during the quarantine. They are all shoes, so I will be reviewing the shoes that I bought and the deals that I made buying these shoes. So let's start with the first one. The first item that I'm going to be unboxing is this pair of Balenciaga shoes. I got these actually right before the lockdown, like 2 or 3 days before the lockdown, from the outlet village near Paris. They carry a lot of luxury brands and they usually have amazing ongoing deals on last season items. I'm not a big fan of Balenciaga shoes. I know that they're very famous for their triple S track trainers and speed trainers shoes, but these ones I just fell in love with them the moment I laid my eyes on them. Let's do the unboxing. So they came in with the dust bag, which is actually cool. Not all the brands in the outlet village give dust bag with shoes, so that was cool. And the pair that I got, guys, is the Balenciaga race runners. I fell in love with these when I saw them for the first time, and I haven't even knew they existed before, and they're just I just love them. I picked the gray color because I don't have any gray shoes in my collection, so that was a natural choice for me. I love the details on this design, the suede leather in the back, the leather here. It's actually a sock, so it's very, very comfortable. The sole is very, very tough, but it's actually comfortable. As far as the pricing is concerned, these retail for 550 euros, but they were on sale at 360 euros. Plus, on the day that I bought them, I have a membership card with the outlet mall, and on that day they were having a 10% off, so I got them for 320 euros, which is a very good deal for me. Moving on to the next pair of sneakers I got during lockdown. It's a pair of Givenchy's. Now, I had my eyes on these for a long time. I was so happy to get them. Luckily for me, Louisa Viaroma had a 30% off offer on some items during lockdown. They came in with two dust bags, which is very practical, especially when traveling. And guys, it's the Givenchy white leather slip-ons with the black elastic band. They were available in 3 different colors, if I remember well, but I prefer the white ones. I had some doubts at first about the fit of the shoe, but when I tried them on, I found out that they fit perfectly. The only issue I have with these is that in the front part of the shoe, they tend to bend when you walk, so I'm afraid they will get ruined with time. I guess I'll just see how that goes. As for the price, These retail for 475 euros, but thanks to the Luisa Viaroma offer, they were 30% off, so I got them for 320 euros. They're part of the permanent collection of the Givenchy sneakers, and it's very hard to come across these on sale. The next item I'm going to unbox is a pair of boots from the PS Paul Smith brand, and it's this pair of gorgeous dark brown boots with the green elastics from each side. By the way, this green is one of my favorite colors ever. I was in a desperate need of a pair of boots that I can style with my formal work outfits, and these came in right in time. Paul Smith is one of my favorite brands. They pay attention to the details, and I just love their designs. They are very elegant and chic. As for the pricing, these retail for 274 euros, but they were on sale. I got them actually online, and they were on sale for 140 euros, so it was a great deal. Finally, the last item I want to show you guys is another pair of boots from Hugo Boss. This gorgeous pair of sweat leather boots in the beige color, one of my favorite colors as well. Simple design, classy and elegant. The only issue I find in this is that they're very hard to put on and to take off. I had a lot of trouble trying them on. They fit perfectly, but the process of putting them on was very painful. Still, I'm holding on to them because they perfectly fit and they look gorgeous with different styles. The thing I love about these is that they can be styled differently. They can be styled, in a more classic and formal wear with work outfits, but I can also style them in a more relaxed, casual way, with a pair of jeans to go, for example. So that's it, guys. This concludes today's videos, my first video actually. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do like it, please hit the subscribe button. You can also follow me on my Instagram for more videos about unboxings, fashion, men's style, and luxury for less. I hope you'll be okay. Take care and see you soon.